Hi guys, in this step-by-step video I'm going to be showing you how you can add the order tracking page inside your Shopify. Now if you want to add the tracking page on your Shopify, this video is for you, and the app that we are going to use today is completely free, so there is no like free plan or stuff like that. It's completely free, and let's get started right now. Now first thing is, you guys, you want to log into your Shopify store and click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and the app name is Track 718. Okay, that's the name of the app. Now just search for it, scroll down. Okay, it seems like, yeah, just remove the space between Track and 718. Okay, just scroll down again and search for it. As you can, because this is a new app, so it's not popular yet to show up in the first results, so just search for it. As you can see, this is the name of the app. Make sure it has the exact same logo. Now after that, you want to click on install. Now after, guys, you click on install, you want to click again on install, and it will take you directly, guys, to the app's website where you can paste a random, like a code. It's not complicated, just follow these steps. It's very easy, guys, to add tracking page on your Shopify. Okay, just click on store management. Okay, in the store management section, click on plugin description, and as you can see, the step 1 is to copy the code, the step 2 is to create a page on Shopify, the step 3 is to add the tracking page to your navigation header or footer. Now this is not a complicated thing. This is very easy. Just follow these steps. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on copy code, go back to Shopify, click on online store, click on pages, click on add page. The name of the page or the title, it should be something like track your order. And here you want to click this, as you can see, where it says show HTML, and you want to copy that code here, and you want to click on save. Okay, make sure you click that, and then you want to add the code there. Okay, now after that, it's very easy. Now you want to click on navigation. Okay, click on main menu, and then you want to click on add menu item. Here where it says search or paste a code, you want to search for pages, and you want to click that you have named it. Okay, track your order, click on add, click again on save menu, make sure you click it. All right, now if you go to your own Shopify store, you will be able to see the track page inside your Shopify. Now as you can see here, before you didn't have this track your order page, now you have it. If you click on it, it will take you here. Now each one, like if someone pastes here their tracking number, they click on search, they will be able to see where their order is. Okay, the item status, or the item where the item is currently, like the location of the item, okay, at that moment. Now you just, the customer just have to add the tracking number, and then you will be able to track the order without any problem. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.